What they got? A Kia, huh? Someone that stepped. Oh.
Turn the car in circles until the time's done. Out the window like cuss on the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We're back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So I want to show y'all the cars that we do have up here. For starters, got the Malibu. And if y'all wonder why I still got these cars here, I haven't had time to even show these cars. I'm doing appointments only. I've been ripping and running. And yeah, it just reminds me of the reason why I didn't want to have a car lot no more, because I cannot stay in one fucking location, one fucking place. I'm here, I'm there, I'm everywhere. I don't even have time to even sell my cars, you know what I mean? But anyways, guys, so we got the Malibu, Sunfire, Acura, Malibu, Chevy Cavalier. We got a, I don't know, this is one of my partner's cars and their trucks. I don't know nothing about their cars, but hey, they're up here. I'm just gonna show y'all what they got up here. One of them got this Buick LeSabre, you know what I mean? This is my G6, so today I'm about to be taking pictures of this. Gotta get that online. Oh, someone got an MC. But yeah, I didn't even see that go through. So Cavalier, this is mine. I'm gonna take pictures. I need to take pictures of this Cavalier and that gray G6. I don't know what they got. A Kia, huh? Someone that stepped. Oh, I thought someone that stepped the game up, but all they gotta do is change the fender, put a bumper on there. They're good. And of course we got the JJ just letting this car just sit, boy. Well, I guess he said he's gonna move these cars or get his cars out of here before we can have more space, because we are gonna fill up this lot. That's the plan. You know what I mean? We still getting shit together. Got the MC still here. Got the box truck. We gotta move this shit. Someone stole the goddamn battery. If y'all seen a few videos ago, someone broke in here and stole all the batteries, bust this window and tow up shit. But yeah, someone stole the goddamn battery, so I'm gonna try to jump start this shit for him and move that shit. Probably not today, because I got shit to do. I'm always fucking busy. I'm not trying to sit up here. I'm just trying to get shit in order. I got a lot of shit going. So this car, that Cavalier, and I gotta get pictures of this Nissan Altima. And y'all see I ain't even wearing my merch today. You know, I changed it up a little bit. I had to go a little shopping, man. People was talking about my outfits, you know. I need people to take me a little more serious. Nah. Oh, ain't got back seats in that damn car. What about this car? Yeah, I get all distracted and shit. Start this bad boy up. Should start right up. And I think they did fix the AC on this car. This is hot though. Get up out of here. Whip it. Didn't even let the car warm up. It's hot enough. I got shit to do. But yeah, I just want to show y'all that this car drives good. If y'all guys interested or nah. And that's how a lot of us do. We do appointments only. We don't got time to be sitting up here in no goddamn lot waiting for customers and shit. I know a lot of dealers do that. It's fine, or you could get someone up there. But I'm good. I got shit to do. But yeah, I'm a very busy man. Well, this car drives an excellent day. Let me pull up to my little spot. I'm gonna do a little walk around for y'all. I'm only pulling up the street. I ain't going that far. I don't know what the fuck that shit was squeaking. That's probably the AC belt. AC work. Yeah, that's the AC. That's the belt squeaking. Show y'all the motor, just cause y'all interested, man. You know, I be having people who come far away to come buy some of my cars, and I gotta show y'all, man, what y'all getting yourself into. Car drives good, ain't nothing wrong with them. Y'all watch the other videos, y'all know I brought it from the mechanic shop. We got some hail damage, a little body damage. Ain't too bad. Let me back up. And it's always money calling. But yeah, y'all see, let me close this door. Mismatch door on that side, but that's all right. Money always calling, man. I'm super busy. That shit, I mean, I guess that's a good thing. I'm blessed to be busy like that, I guess. It's really supposed to be my damn day off. You got no damn days off, but let me show y'all the inside. You know what I mean? And by the way, y'all, after this batch of cars, I'm gonna just wait till I sell all my little batch of cars, and I'm about to buy some better cars. I came up with a whole nother concept I'm about to do. You know, just watch and stay tuned to the future, man. These cheap cars make money though, believe it or not. You just gotta sell them fast though, that's the thing. Sell them fast enough. That low money adds up real quick. But anyways, guys, we're on to the next. Let me go ahead and take my pictures of this shit. So let's get up in this Cavalier and hopefully it starts right up. Oh man. Man, they ain't fixed shit. I told them to fix. Oh, I gotta give me another key. The key is going bad. Oh, these goddamn windows down. So they fixed the AC for me. That's the main shit they fixed, really. I got something for their ass, man. Let me get up out of this goddamn tight ass parking lot. We're gonna pull out. Everything drives good. The only thing that's wrong with this car is this dash is cracked. I'm probably still order me one. I'm gonna try to sell it like this. Make someone a good car, a little cheap, affordable car. If not, I'll order that dash thing. Some people don't like that shit, but it is what it is, y'all. Pull up over here. Pull up to the spot. That motherfucker on my ass, dude. It was how you ride on my ass the whole fucking way and the other lane is wide open. Anyways. Pop this hood, no problem. Let me let y'all listen to the motor. Y'all might want to get this old car. Gotta clean the motor off, but shit. What does it look like right now? Turn it off real quick. Yeah, this motherfucker. I could have sworn I cleaned this car out, but it don't look like we cleaned it out. But anyways, y'all see it, man. Probably have to clean it out a little more. Y'all want a little affordable, reliable, cheap little gas saver, gas sipper. There y'all go. Chevy Cavalier. Made a lot of money with these cars, boy, I tell you. Y'all see, let me show y'all the back, man. So let me go take my pictures of this car. Then I got one more car, the Nissan Altima. Last but not least, and the only reason why this one's turned in because people act like they don't know how to reverse it after they test drive a car. I guess they didn't like it. They like the car, they love the car, except for they don't like that wheel bearing noise. The mechanic said it was, damn, it's fucking hot in this car. The mechanic said that it was just the tire or some shit, he told me, but I don't know, it sounded like a wheel bearing to me, to be honest with y'all. But that's what the customers was saying too. It's like, but they not mechanics, so I'm not a mechanic either, man. I'm a part changer. So I'm not good at diagnosing cars and shit like that. So I don't know. Got a little gas in here. So let me go ahead, burst this motherfucker out and get this shit on the street. Goddamn Nissan Altima. I keep saying I'm gonna stick with my Chevys, man. Goddamn. I don't know, can y'all hear the wheel bearing? I think y'all can hear it. I I still think it's the wheel bearing. He says the tire is not the wheel bearing, so I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna let the next owner deal with that. I already put enough money in this car. I already fixed the AC, the shocks, the struts. I think that's all I fixed. Motherfuckers love dropping on my ass, boy. God damn. Pull up there and take my goddamn last picture of the day as far as these cars, but man, this motherfucking park is fucking hot. It's not a game out here. Let me show y'all the engine real quick. What the fuck? Why is that shit shaking? Oh no. Goddamn foreign ass car. Still drives good. This motherfucker was doing that. Oh, myself gloves something. I don't know. Bucket. 2 teardrops in a bucket. Rev it up. Probably because it's still cold. I don't know what the hell happened. Someone sabotaged me. Did I clean this motor off or something? I think I cleaned this motor. Did I clean this motor off? I can't fucking remember which car that I cleaned off or not, man. That's what happened when you had too many cars, y'all. So y'all want to get into this flipping car business? When people ask you, what do you have? You forget. Yes. They ask you what's wrong with it. I don't even know why I just popped that hood. They ask you what's wrong with it. You can't remember. You got, especially I own 5 cars of my personal cars. Then I got fucking probably 15 cars that I got that I'm selling. I can't remember fucking 20 cars. What's this going on and what's that? Like little shit like that. I would forget to tell someone the wheel bearing is fucked up. You know, I'll forget shit like that. But that's just what comes with the game, man. When you having multiple cars, man. You know, or some of y'all out there got multiple kids. Like shit, I don't remember his goddamn birthday. I don't remember what year I had him. But hey, let me walk up in here and show y'all, man. Y'all see it, man. My drinks I had in here when I was driving. It's pretty clean though. This handle's fucked up on it, but it still opens and works. So yeah, man, shout out to the whole fucking Lucky Nation. Make sure y'all give my wife a follow, Melly's World. The link is in the description. Her shit is lit over there. She uploading, she killing the game right now. The Lucky Nation station, man, I got a lot of videos coming, man. A lot of raw and uncut, behind the scenes type of deals going on the Lucky Nation station. So y'all make sure y'all tune in to that damn video. Like I said, man, buy the merch. My Cash App is in the description. If y'all want me to buy any cars for y'all, it's gonna be $300 for my services. That's the fee off top. You want to talk to me on the phone, $300. You want to me to start looking for a car, $300. Don't ask me about a car that I don't have. It's gonna be $300 for me to even find the car or locate the car. If you want old school cars, you can go ahead and send me the money. I'm gonna put Unc on it and give you his phone number and give him the goddamn $300, and y'all can do business with Unc. If y'all into the old school shit ain't really my goddamn lane, so I'm not gonna even try to fuck around with that shit. And I'm gonna find you some real shit, and he be knowing the prices, what he could find shit for and whatnot, because that's his specialty. But when it comes to these new cars, man, I'm killing the game. But anyways, guys, just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Look at what this, I'm out. Yay!
Rice bowl, smoke in your face, supercharger. Push this button, that's my engine starter. Pistol tough, might be primate, but my engine souped up.